Number 13. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to practice investing with zero risk trading 212 practice account. You need a verified trading 212 account. Registration is free. A stable internet connection and updated browser or mobile app are needed. Basic understanding of trading concepts such as stocks, ETFs and CDFs, and time to explore and test trading strategies are also important. To use practice mode, open Trading 212 and log into your account. Now, select Practice Mode or Invest Demo Account from the menu. You will receive virtual funds to trade risk-free. Start buying and selling instruments to test your strategies without losing real money. Practice mode simulates real market conditions but uses virtual money. Treat it like real trading to build good habits and discipline. Track your performance and note what strategies work best. When confident, you can switch to live mode to invest with real funds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.